Roblox. Go to pool. You must use the call each pixel, and you need to be fast. Gravity call and no. Right hook. This gravity gun have to go far away. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1, catch! No, not to the middle. Bro. No! No! Ah. Yes. Okay. Look. Why I'm going to the water again? Okay. Maybe he's turning into invisible. Okay. Brain. Hide out. Okay. Ah! No. Wap. Okay. Hide out. Slow walk. Yes. I did it. Ah. Ouch. To race track. Terraria. To car. I don't want to go forward. To car area. No. Car area. Yes. Go to chew area. You need the gravity core. Okay. Now, what is next? Oh, there's presents up there. The last presents we should have to do grab the coal and the speed coal because you need to make it run faster. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Use radical coal, and you collect all presents. You have been awarded the Christmas lights and achievement limit items. And now you have a badge. Santa will have be happy to get it. He said, "Thanks for finding my friends." And he said, "Can I keep this cool present?" And he said, "Yes." He said, "Yeah, sure." And now you have this present. Okay, this is the end of the video. See you next time. Oh, it's a Christmas. When this Christmas Yeah, you cannot get this present without Christmas.